This
So
toys.
before we open it, I'm going to show you what we have. So this is the box.
This is box.
And it was a little open. So when I push it just comes down a little bit, but it's okay.
It's
So
okay.
you can collect the cars.
And then they get
And this is the blue track.
This is
And
blue
I
track.
think you can hold this piece so you can hold it like this and walk with it. And you can change the color like this.
You can change the ice, and you can change the water, and then you can change
when you put the car,
so
water first,
ice,
I put ice and cold water inside.
I put cold water, ice.
I put two cubes of ice inside here. I put the water inside. And when you put it inside, it turns black. This is the cold ice, and this is the cold water, and this is the hot water. And these bowls are nice, huh? So we're gonna start to open it up and see what's inside. Okay, Binkin, you wanna open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so can I take it out? Cause you open it.
Okay.
So this is the blue track. And it is so cool. And you can open this piece. Wow, this is a small car and it's still cool. Wow. Let me try to get this.
Can I open it?
Sure. Oh, then I take it out and you take.
Fire truck is only
It's not a fire truck. It's not a fire truck. It's a police car. Can I look at it?
Yeah.
Wow, it's little gold. I thought it was black.
There's ice in the peanut on the house.
That was cool.
Can I have it?
No, first we put it right here. Next, this blue thing, it looks like a table, but it's not a table. I'll show you when we start to build it. Wow. Next, this is the big piece, and I'm gonna take out the plate.
What if I know
Lincoln, you wanna take it out?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. It's because it's big, and you gotta be careful it doesn't go in the water when you have to let it.
Oh,
So can I show it?
yeah.
So this is what it looks like.
Touch it. Oh, no, touch it.
So now we got. Let me check.
What is this?
So I got some instruction sites.
Actually,
Actually, it's a little paper. And
I'm going to put.
so these are the trains and the trucks and buses and cars and stuff. And the S trucks. There's big trains too. And there's bulldozers too and dump trucks.
What is this?
So today we got the police car. And so we're gonna start to open it up. So first, this is the tire, and this yellow thing is gonna open up. I'll show you. It's gonna do this, and it goes up. There we go. So first, I put this table. I put this table thing right here. There I go. And I'm gonna take this down. Bye bye. Ah, why is this water so cool?
What is this? No, please go.
Okay, you can have it. Last, you put this right here. There I go. So now we build it. Yay!
Yay!
So Linda, let's do it together.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yay! So we're gonna start to open it. I mean, not open it. So we're gonna start to do it, and we're gonna try it and see how it's gonna be fun. First, I take okay. I get one ice cube, and you put it inside here. Next, no more ice, okay?
Okay.
Next, I put the cold water. Let me put this, okay?
Okay.
You can't do it, because if you do it, you're gonna spill it, okay? So next, I put this cold water. This one is the hot water. Oh.
Ow! So cool.
Next, what was it? So now we're gonna continue.
No, there's a cut too.
So this is our first color changing.
So this is called
First, we're gonna do the just
the
test.
test.
So first, I put the water inside. Nino. So now, right now it's yellow. I'm gonna change it black.
The little gate now. No, go down.
Let me try.
Look at ice.
It's changing colors.
Ouch! Yeah!
Now the police car is black.
Yay! Now I'm black and my siren's red.
It was little yellow on my siren. But what about the ice? It's blocking.
Wow! I went inside.
I'm gonna go again. So now the color is black now because we changed the color. So next, when I put it on the hot water, it is going to be yellow. I'm gonna try to put inside. Yay! So now it's yellow now. Excuse me, why am I yellow again? Do I need to do another car wash? Let me try again. I took this blue thing because I need to put ice inside and it makes it easier. So I put it back on. Lincoln, you gotta turn the tire. No, not ice yet. No ice yet. Oh, no. No, not yet. Ice. Okay, turn the tire. Turn it down. Good. Okay, now it's down. There we go. Does it turn black?
Oh, it's black.
It changed black.
Wow, it's black.
And the siren is red.
It's red.
You want to put this on?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh? Wait a second. Can I try it?
Yeah.
Or can I do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that's right. Ouch.
So I need an ice stick back. So I don't go. Ouch! Okay, open it please. There we go. Thank you. Now I put it right here and I put the toy on top of the ice bowl. So now it's gonna go inside hot water. Lincoln, push the sign. Wow! Can I try it?
Yeah.
Let me just put it inside. So now I changed the car. So now the car went inside the hot water. That means now it's yellow. What? Again? Why am I yellow when I wake up in the morning? Let me try to go on the car wash and again. Beep, 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 beep. Get a shower please first. Okay, Lincoln, wait. Wow!
It's water the ice. It's water the ice and banana. Water to the ice.
Wow! So here it comes. No more ice, no more ice. So now it's gonna go inside hot water. Let me try. Beep, 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 beep. Wow! yellow. What? I woke up again and I'm yellow again? This is... Oh my gosh, this is so silly. I just don't like this. Let me go try to wash it. Okay, you can go. No, you gotta do it from over here. You gotta do it from over here. No, you can just let it go when you put it right here. Let it go. And turn the tire. It's this way, okay? Okay. No, that's one's up. You need to turn it this way, that way, along. Not yet. You gotta do that. Yeah, you gotta do that. Still, you gotta do that still. You don't know, so I'm telling you. A little bit more. No, not. No, this is up. This is up. This one. I gotta do this. This is up. No, I gotta do it. Okay. I gotta do it. Okay. A little bit more. I think it's down. Let me check. Okay, it's down. Okay, it's down. You did it. You did it. Okay, there we go. To swim because I know how to swim a little bit. So let me go. Okay, you can do it. Okay. Whoa! Huh? Beep 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 beep. Thank you for watching. Bye, Mommy. Bye, Mommy. Bye, Mommy. Please my toy color changer. And don't forget to subscribe because we have two small play cars. And it's construction, so I... What are you doing? On a date. Nino, back to the station.